All right, section 4.5 is operations on functions. And the beautiful thing that's going to happen at the very beginning is that everything that you intuitively expect to happen is going to happen. And that's always really nice when it does. We saw something in the last section where we thought adding, or at least when I look at it, I feel like adding should move things right. And it didn't. It happened intuitively backwards. But this section, everything is very intuitive the way you expect. So we're starting in this section with something called combinations of functions. So combinations of functions means taking two functions and combining them in some way. So specifically, here you see addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if you are going to add two functions together, literally means that you are going to take the functions f of x and g of x and add their results together. And if you subtract, it will literally look like you've subtracted their results from one another. And if you multiply, you're going to be multiplying the results times each other. And if you divide, you're dividing the results one by the other. You do have to be a little careful here at the end that you don't end up having zeros in denominators if you're trying to do division. Okay, we will do the first three because they'll go super fast on how to do this. Everything that seems like it should work, works. So we have two functions. F of x is 2x, and g of x is 3x squared. And if I'm adding my two functions together, it means I'm doing f of x, which is 2x, plus g of x, which is 3x squared. That's it. Y'all good? That looks pretty good, right? How is B different than A? Has a 3 in there, right? So we've been working with functions for about 2.5 weeks now, specifically in here. And what happens when we see a 3 inside of a function? What is it asking or telling me to do? Right, replace the x's with 3's. So very literally, I'm simply going to take this exact expression and replace it with 3's. That's it. And I'm going to calculate. What is 2 times 3? 6. What is 3 squared? 9. And then times the other 3. You're ahead of me. Yeah, that's okay. It's 27. And then 6 plus 27 is... I think it's 33. Is that right? Cool. So if you've got a number inside here, then yeah, you're going to get a number answer at the end. If you've got an x inside, you're going to have x at the end. Okay. What do you think f minus g of x would look like? Right, 2x minus 3x squared. And that's really as easy as this is. Okay. So we'll pick up on this next time.